Let's find the equation of a line given 2 points. So here's my first point, here's my second point. Here are some formulas that we know. We know the slope-intercept form, we know the point-slope form, and we have the formula for the slope. Notice what they all have in common is slope. So in order to use either one of the two on the top, we need to know the slope. So that's the first thing we're going to do. Once we have the slope, we already have a point. We actually have 2 points, and we're going to use point-slope formula. So let's find the slope first. M equals, and it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so that is the rise, the difference in the y values, over the run, the difference in the x values. We're going to label our points 1 and 2, and it doesn't matter which one is 1 or which one is 2. First comes x, then comes y, so x sub 1, y sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 2. So let's plug these numbers in. Y sub 2 is 5 minus y sub 1, which is negative 4. Okay, let me point out this is minus a negative, because I use parentheses, over x2 is 2, x1 is negative 2. Okay, so once again, it's minus a negative, which is a plus. I see a lot of mistakes. People will just say, oh, they'll look at it, they'll say, oh, well, 5 minus 4, but that's not what it is. It's 5 minus negative 4. Okay, keep that in mind. In the numerator, we have 5 plus 4. In the denominator, we have 2 plus 2. So that gives me 9 over 4. That's my slope. All right, now I have a point and a slope, and I'm going to use point slope. So y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And in this case, I know my m is 9 over 4. Let me put that in here. And in this case, I could use either point. It would be smarter if I used the positives instead of the negatives. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that, because I could have called this point 1 anyway. This could have been point 1. This could have been x1 and y1. So y minus y1, we'll say y minus the y value is 5. X minus the x value is is positive 2. All right, let's go ahead and let's clean this thing up. I have y minus 5 equals 9/4 times x minus 2. I'm going to distribute the 9/4. So that is 9/4 times x is 9/4 x minus 9/4 times 2 is 9/2. Calculator will do that for you. This is y minus 5. I want to get my answer in slope-intercept form, which, if you notice right here, it has a y by itself. So to get this y by itself, I will add 5. And if I add 5 to the left side of the equal sign, I add 5 to the right side of the equal sign. Drop down my equals. I have y equals 9/4 x minus 9 over 2 plus 5. Put that in your calculator. That's going to be plus 1/2. So if you are in algebra, you're going to want to leave your answer like this with the fractions. If you are in statistics, you're going to want to turn your fractions into decimals. So we have y equals 2.25x plus 0.25.